Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. The time now is 9:03 p.m. Pretty late in the night. Got back late from work. Didn't feel like doing any workout. But then I said, let me just go and get a small workout done. And I thought, let me make a video and ask this question to you. When do you like to do your workouts? Whatever be the workout, be it gyms, weights, body weight exercise, jump ropes. Do you like it in the morning, evenings, late night? What is your preference? And is there a set time you like to work out, like in a very disciplined way? If it's 5:30 in the morning every day, 5:30, you go and do your workouts, or you're flexible, you go and do your workouts when you feel like doing a workout. As far as I'm concerned, my personal view, which is applicable to me, there are two times only for me with regard to workout. One is when I feel like doing a workout, which is a no-brainer. When I feel like doing a workout, I go and do a workout. And the second time is I don't feel like doing a workout, where I force myself to go and do a short workout like today. In fact, it's been such a tiring day, I didn't bother to change also. This is the vest I wear inside my office shirt. So I thought, let me just get a quick workout done, break a sweat, and then go shower and call it a day. So it will be a very short video. The main objective of the video was to ask the questions which I've already asked. Now what we'll do is we will jump. And by the way, this is a portable light I had bought some time back, just in case I need it for some time. I thought I'll test it out today also. Seems to be a pretty light, bright light, portable, no wires, rechargeable, no brand. I just bought it in a supermarket. It was selling very cheap. I just picked it up. Seems to be a good buy. So I'll just do 100 jumps with the amp handles. The app will tell me when to start, and it will tell me once we reach the 100. After that, I'll decide whether I want to continue or not. So shall we start? 100 jumps. That beep was the app saying we did our 100. I'll check how much time we took to do the 100. Now that I have broken my mindset, it's actually a mind being more tired than the body. Body is okay. The mind was in the mood that, let's call it a day, shut down, go to sleep. Now that I have got some movement in, I feel like going for more. In the interest of keeping the video short, I will stop the video here, and then I'll go back and do a few more jumps. Maybe 1,200 jumps for today. Should be good because it's pretty late and it's a working day tomorrow. I need to get a good at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep for me to be ready tomorrow. So please do leave your comment for the questions I asked at the beginning of the video. Enjoy your jumps, stay safe, and as per local time, good night.